guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you everything that I made from the Potomac bead box for April. Their box was called Blooming into Spring, the Treasure Subscription. So I had been sick with head cold for about a week and a half, so April was kind of a bust for me. I usually like to do a couple I do an unboxing usually for Potomac beads, and then I do like probably a couple tutorials on different things to make out of the box, but I only did one this month because I was sick. So I ended up working on some other stuff though. So I'd like to start and show you this. So this was the actual tutorial that I did. I took this beautiful stone that they had here, and then I loved that Czech mix that they had with all the different colors. I just think this had such a spring look to it, you know, just fun with all the bright colors. And I used just, I think, I'm trying to think of if I used anything. I used my eye pen, of course. But I think everything else was from them. I love these little ladybugs. I love their little Czech mix that they give us every month with all the different things in it, because it really just kind of, you know, lets you step outside the box a little bit with it. You know, it doesn't kind of really go with anything, but yet it does, you know, so that makes sense. But yeah, so I loved this right here. So I had that, and then this one I made, well, I wasn't feeling well, but I couldn't really film. So I took all the extras from here, and I made this really cool, like, necklace, like, kind of like just a long layering boho necklace. And I took these cones, and I actually put one of these in between it. So it just kind of cut off part of the shape. So it gave it a different look to it than the other ones that were hanging from here. And then I did kind of like a random pattern here at the bottom. And then here was the top of it. So I love the way this looks. I tried it on afterwards, and I liked the look that it had to it. This was, I had the thread going through it, and I do have a few seed beads kind of inside of here to kind of hold it in place. And then I loved these rings right here, the rose gold. I used them on this necklace as well. I loved these. Thought these were so pretty. And then I put some crimp covers here at the bottom just to kind of finish that off. But yeah, I loved the colors in this necklace. I thought they were really cool. So I did this one, and then this next one is totally outside the box. And I used some pieces from it, and some I didn't. This was, maybe I had a little too much NyQuil in me when I made this. But this was, I used my own chain and some of my own seed beads. And I made this right here. It's kind of a funky, eclectic piece. Let me kind of drag it down. And I put my rondelles in between, and then I took this silver chain and I cut it into three connectors, and then I I put the wire through it. So it must act kind of like a spacer in between it. I think that turned out really cool. And then I have the lobster clasp at the top. But yes, it's kind of an uneven. And this was just a little beading that I did with some of my 11 Miyuki seed beads. I did like, I think it was 50 strands. And then I just kept, so it was like, it was 250 in each one. Then I intertwined it in here. And then I put I just did these colors, and then I weaved the chain into it. And then at the bottom here, I attached the chain there and there so that it didn't slide around. And then for the front, I did like a little bead weaving around it, and then I put these little danglies right here just to kind of finish it off. I wasn't sure I did it, and then I had this blank, and I was like, I knew I needed something, but I wasn't really sure. So yeah, so I love the way this one turned out. This one is one for the books, I think. So yeah, so this is just a really thick, I forgot what kind of chain this was. Just, I don't have the package with me, just a thick chain. But I love the way it went with these beads from Potomac. So yeah, I think all three of these pieces turned out pretty eclectic. Just kind of outside the box with these. So I will leave the link, let me put this one right here too. I will leave the link to this one, the tutorial below. I don't have tutorials for the other two because like I said, I would come in here and work, but you know, with my head cold, I really did not sound well. So, yeah, so if you're not subscribed to my channel, take a moment right now and hit that subscribe button below so you don't miss any of my videos because I have so much coming up this year. And if you want to hit that notification bell and you press all, then you'll get notified every time I upload a new video as well. So, and all of my social media is below, and I will leave a link to the Potomac bead box as well, and all the information for them is below. It's a great monthly subscription box, and they also have a lot of other stuff too. So if you're interested, go check them out and use my coupon code. So go through my link, and that helps my channel. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you had fun working with the Potomac bead box. And I'm going to be doing unboxing for the next one in, I think, 3 days on the 10th. So stay tuned for that, and you guys have a great day. Thanks so much for watching.